Morning. Guess what? Your girl Timar push back her ear again. You know this mama just get up early in the morning. I'ma just say, Mama say me can try that like a push wave thing again. Cause everybody always say, me like short hair on you, short hair fits you. So I get to this man, I'ma say, I'ma try it. I'ma just do it myself. Sorry, I just actually just try to make the baby go to the back of the car, the other side. So yeah, I'm gonna try that look a push wave something there and see if it will work. You understand me? I want to think about it, rate it for me there. But I don't want to miss the back, I know in case anything the back might come out pretty when it comes. I'm say the back look good, the back might look good. So I'm gonna give me the ratings and see how I do. How I do. One up, mama. How I do. If I put the baby in the car, Jesus, I have in one hand. How I look? Tell me how I look. Rate me there. Rate me there. Rate me there. Rate me there. Yeah. So, we got Belmopan today. Come with me and Belmopan. Why you take off the slippers? Why? Baby thing and I work for me, no man. Sure. So we pull up a Belmopan to the people. I'm a good husband. I'm in a good spirit. Hey. Murder. Me and the king, everybody. Say good morning to the king, Mr. Nunes. Make up put our seatbelt, come but them love to say, we not like a seatbelt yet. Put it on, baby, we'll land there. Put it. Yeah, whenever you try to say, I can put it on. But, I put on my own camera. Baby, stop and put it on. Remember, them love say, safety come first. So, make them say, we actually put it on. Ooh. Black man for me, baby. Black man for me. Everybody, man, go for Richie. The big chef, the Jamaican big body chef in Belize. Rich Dan. See me husband, I feel like that. So, you see if it come first and my husband warm up, alright. Yeah. That's when you know you got a good man. Big up, Mr. Nunes.
Don't say it.
It's my everything. Everything is. Yeah. You see, when you get a good man, listen to me, don't follow nobody. Humble die a good pussy self when you get a good man. Here. Don't follow the crowd. Walk alone. So, me no mind who want to talk about me and who wants this or who want that. No other man can tickle my clip but Mr. Nunes. That's my choice. To stay with one man. Yeah, right there. So big up my nice husband. I'm at that demure stage in my life where right now I just feel girly and I feel like I just make him lead. And so far the man are going good. See me usually walking out boiling sun, watch it. What look on progress.
Vroom.
Watch progress.
Skirt.
Talk no man.
Good enough.
Well, we are going with them fucky lifestyle and broke and have nothing and not own nothing. No man, that can't go nothing now, that can't go so. One man, build with him. One man, use your head, not between your foot. Yeah, that me a promoter. Each of them don't perfume road. Remember to them there? That's how we can, that's how we can go. Yeah man, one man to my goodness. So, if you don't like that, stay up home, no one stay attack or no one attack. I don't give a fuck. I fly fuck. Me I stay with my one man and stay loving him and him loving me. We ain't the same, mama. Mama, we are not the same. You could trick me. You trick yourself. We're not the same. You say that and me I tell you who I am. I am his Nunes. Watch my nice husband, watch him. Can't have a circle, you. Yeah. Alright, today is the girl Timar. I'm going to pull up in a Belmopan. Now, me have a worker, she claims she don't want to come on the camera. When I'm not arguing to that, come and I turn my camera past, she come and I want there, no problem. And then she go tell me, she go sue me for the money we not have, and I've got bad judgment. So, where just that's a goodie, talk to me now. Where
I
that's
admire you, and what you're doing is good. So I wish everybody would continue to subscribe and to listen to what you got to say, because the majority of the time things that you're saying is positive things.
So she's saying she subscribed to my channel, she likes what I'm doing, and she hopes a lot of more people would subscribe and watch a video, watch the ads them, and make the thing go true. Did you
That's
saw
right.
yesterday? Did you watch yesterday video yet?
I wasn't here yesterday, so I'm watching this video.
So you go watch it today.
Yes, ma'am, I will.
So she said she gonna watch yesterday video.
Yes, ma'am.
Yesterday video I feed the homeless.
God bless you.
Yes. So I do that. It's not the first time I'm doing it.
Yes, ma'am.
But I got sponsors from people overseas so I can continue doing it. Right? Yeah, them link up on the media. Take my number off her.
Will you do like a back to school, because there's a lot of parents who doesn't have? Will you give out like some school
Yes,
bags?
I have school bag, and that's in city. Because I'm from Ladyville.
But there's like, okay, is there other villages whereby you could have go to villages?
Well, when I found them, I have to get a link up for that. Because I can get people will send it and actually send me to the village, you know.
Yes, ma'am.
Because donors do ask me to do that. But as I said, you would have to link me upon the media.
I will text you, and then because there is a lot of people who doesn't have a school opening,
No
and then
problem.
we cannot rely on the government. They're not doing anything for us. People like you come from there to see what we're doing, helping.
And that's the whole thing about it. I tell people every day, it doesn't matter whether we are Belizean or Jamaican. It's all about we being one nation, and that's black.
Yes, ma'am.
Everybody unite. White people unite, Chinese people, and you know that too. Chinese people come here and they bring one heap of China with them, and then everybody come, they make the money, build big business, and then go back to feed them country. You, the black person, the writer, so you are struggling. So the work what you have to do, you work beneath them. So what I do encourage is black people, entrepreneur. That's what me put in at the black people them head. Entrepreneur, start your own business. You run a taxi, save your money, and see if you can buy a next taxi.
Just
And
buy
buy.
my one yesterday.
You just buy yours yesterday.
Yes, man.
See that taxi man just chip in a while ago, make me know say just buy a taxi yesterday. You afraid of the camera?
No, we
Come in, man. She don't want to come like camera. Come in, my friend. Sit there. See your mother. Jump up, my
I
back.
still love you though.
Always, always. As they know, I'm your girl, T-Mar.
we just work here for 3 months. And I buy my one on yesterday.
See there? And you just take your time and just save the money. Because when we are trying to encourage people, and especially young people, take time to spend it and the more of the saving.
Yeah, well, I don't have to drive really. So you don't know the book.
That's the truth.
You know me.
Yeah, well, my mother was 59, so my mother older than you. You
Just
see
a
me?
couple years, me and your married to play marble.
That's truth. The man say my mother usually play marble. You can't get it better than that. Walk for pedestrian crossing,
You don't
walk
say,
to
man.
school
You both
together.
on the same path.
Yes, man. She the right up the side, you the right there. So
Yes, right.
calm down, get nerves. Then I gone too far.
Yeah, man.
Now you done right in the 60s,
But
them
now the
bad.
thing, man, you have to work for yourself. My parents coming up as a kid, I never seen my father work for nobody.
That is it.
Work from home, make money from home. So with a
Farming,
real-
hustling,
This up on my granny.
talk the truth. So we call that generation wealth.
Exactly.
We are talking about generation bill per generation and generation. And that's the same thing when I say I speak and a lot of young girls take it offensive when I say stay with that one man and you and that man build together.
Something like that.
Thank you very much.
That's so bad thing. But the thing is that each one reach one, each one.
The arts. Oh yeah, repeat what I say. See there? I say that every day on my platform. Whether they more like it, yes or
Thing
no.
is, the first thing is supposed to have people to listen slowly, speak slowly.
That's why God gave 2 years and 1 mouth. And then I understand.
When I get it here, this generation different thing. See, I
That's
have
a
70s,
true.
man.
Yeah.
71. I say the whole condition that I'm going through.
Yeah.
The whole condition for respect. When they make them Fuss and baby, fuck it.
Yeah.
They take it for a big joke, but when they turn around and start fussing around, that's what they kill the kids, they kill the parents.
It's true because
You gotta raise a puppy like that.
yeah, true because I see something that really kind of shakes me within a mother call her son. I mean, I say, as a mother, why would you call your son to go in a mix up? Why would you call your son on the media and put him in a mix up? As a mother, your child is a child, you're an adult, you can't do that.
Set the example, man.
And if you talk them vex,
Yes.
if you talk them vex,
You
and
can't tell them nothing. They know because
I don't know if people expect me for come on the media and say, fuck, take 10 man, fuck. It's like that them want me to do, and I say no. When me young, I make few mistakes in my days. Me I tell you, say don't make the same mistake for me make. Cause in a minute sense you have 5 man, and the 1 man will go take care of you, you take him for idiot, and then you have 5 man that take you for idiot.
because your plan being your weekend.
You play silly game, you game silly prize. And guess what? You not get rich, you don't have piece of land, you don't have nothing.
You don't either reach that 7 to either the hospital because you know sickness of the pain up there saying. Just like what
And then the picking of them man.
Just like my apple, you don't know when you have a rat and when you cut down the good.
And then them traumatize the youth them too. I guess so. If you don't have a stable home with a man and a woman, what does the child do? What the child get? A father is important in our child life, just as our mother is important. And that's why me I try go against this dysfunctional generation where them a breathe it. And if you get up and stand up and me as a woman get up and me and say no, that's not right, you have to try break the curse. You have to me pregnant early. I mean make sure my 2 daughters them don't get pregnant early. Because I tell myself something a broke generation curse. Say so when me hear at somebody that me that talk about forget the past and delete the past, so me go with the past. When me a pack up my past, put on plane, fly from Jamaica, come here, so come tell you about my past. When that's something for shame or something to proud of, I just believe my past is my past.
Yes, that's part of growing up.
That's a page out of my book.
In your book, and you can have a one book and chapter.
No, them want to tell me, say, me and them are the same thing. You know you can't be the same thing. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Blessings. Subscribe on YouTube. I am a Jamaican living in Belize. I will see yourself. But blessings. Alright, so I walk down at a cheaper restaurant. I'm going to get some food for you. I want them to push the bro in the back look good. It kind of feel good enough, so if it don't look splendid, you remember, I mean, get to this man, put some gel in it. You have all different establishments. We all of them are ugly. Don't let for nobody. Catch Richie.
No, my friend, no. No, fuck it up.
Richie, I eat chicken.
Go far.
So you're at, where's the chicken?
Let's talk about me.
Consist, Lord Jesus. Consist. Yeah, mommy, get it right. Consist restaurant. Go back home, baby. Go back.
Know where the chicken come from?
I don't know where the chicken come from in my head. My friend is a Consist restaurant. Oh, you mean? Mighty and strong. Yeah, I must get it now. I'm not going wrong again. Should make sure stay good. We're going to pick up some food and we're going to go on the journey because we're going to stop it. But however, I want to try something from them. As soon as I see over here, so Richie.
Come on, don't fuck, man.
Richie, that's the lady out there doing that.
You know what, anybody
The
not
lady
come
out there. We're out there, what I know there. Richie love me laugh.
at.
Richie,
No,
love me
video can't
laugh.
come across here.
Okay.
The man hot.
Richie got to the kitchen.
Yeah, hot.
So we have some Consist restaurant. I'm going to grab one. I'm going to order some tamarind juice, tamarind in it. Because sometimes when I buy tamarind juice, tamarind in the farm. I don't know what go on. Everybody reach it on. I keep my mouth shut. So
Much. More bust up.
we can get one, what do you want, baby?
What I got?
Them have
No more. But some
Beef
man,
liver.
black with them.
Stew chicken. And so help me with the menu.
Read.
Cause him I don't understand put on him glasses, you know, and the camera catch him. What a something boy, yeah. One up on the menu, baby.
The special the curry pork with coconut rice, coleslaw, plantain, sliced pear.
Me not eat pork. So come again.
The rice and beans, we got stew chicken, we got meatballs, beef liver, fried chicken, and fried fish fillet.
Okay.
What's your fish fillet?
Fillet of 14.
Okay, 2 fish fillet,
Rice and beans, rice.
coconut rice.
Gravy and rice.
Yes, darling.
Both of them are here, fresh veg, coleslaw, everything.
I taste some coleslaw. So one 2 that to go. You hear the customer service nice, like a foreign with them. Foreign with them is them Ghana foreign. Eh. Yeah, get the nice food, you know. Richie say him wanted and him not put on him eyeglass and him not draw on him hat. But yet
Yeah,
him
even
want
food.
him. Me don't know who
Yeah.
want him.
Oh, that's what
Want
they
him now. You ever see that like this? After me come by my food, I don't do my vlog. Richie want tell me say me if go out there so. Me not understand. Hey, where you go? Sit down, miss. Hey, sit down. Look at that baby.
No, I'm shooting up now.
I'll do that something then. I'll do that something then. Stand still and know that God is real. You understand? Understand, baby? Be still. God is real. Right, this song. Yeah. So this is the menu that I got today is fillet fish and I see if I put the camera. Fillet fish, I'm gonna get some liver on it, some beef liver. So we're gonna dive down in it and then start the things them. I don't know, I not like tune per night channel. If the food good, I'm gonna tell you to say the food good. Understand? I'm gonna dive down in it and you will fear judgment. They don't tell them say, me I go judge. So let's go. Watching, I buy food from them already and them food tastes good. So that's time I come back. I don't know where to sit down because Richie on one side.
Go ahead, sir,
And
man.
the kids them. So Richie want me for what? Go out there so I eat my food, people.
I'm name to the man in the camera.
Them want him want me for what? Go out there so I eat my food. I never see nothing like this. Just taste.
Badness.
See there? A badness him say, but I justice me say.
Badness word.
No, tell me no. You're gonna tell me say me to go out there so I eat my get all my pear, avocado, my fried plantain. So Richard said me get no food. Richard doesn't say you get no food too.
People them friendly with a nice man. When I made a nice one, I go show you hear me.
Richard make nice for my nice clean customer service. Make sure some food well pretty. You hear him? You hear him, mom? You hear him? People Richard want to come and get enough food.
So let's see, I'm bad by active now.
Come and get enough food. Yeah. What that rice bad. People are one of the baddest chef in. Richie all the food, Richie all the food.
After long, I make the phone a little bit.
Him say I first tell the food a little bit. Him send them the taste a little bit.
Done.
No.
Yeah?
But you say where you ask her, she say a little bit you ask her.
It's still no. Man. Some more water, please.
So after Richie asks you look at the food, you turn on and trace my people them.
With a fool. Go on. Bad news work.
Is it?
Bad news work, yeah? What's that? A tea phone.
People, Richie tip out my milk.
Put the milk, and friend, what man? So the fellow said, boy, brother,
Him get catch a thief.
the one water there, they come in that side, they're not going to the come on, business, you can't mind on the sun. Boy, I'm afraid you're building Mr.
But I will catch him a thief. He was thief in that camera. We know who to look for. Now make a report for a piece of fish.
Enough?
Can eat it up from my husband there. I can eat in pieces from my husband there. Now I think if I bring for him.
We have to save half now.
I'm going to save half.
And you use that miss. Hello. Yeah, what now? Okay? Yeah, you said.
Drink it.
Okay.
Big belch, I'm not done eat yet. You watch the video? You have to go show him one time it's gone up. Show him it.
The one, that's why I said when I do it. This one, my son, right? And he like go on his phone and then he video himself and he saying his laugh.
Oh my.
That does videos when he does.
Okay. You want to come tell me where you want to vlog with me?
Hi guys, whatever you do this.
Come on. Come, give me that. Come on. Come on. Come on. Next time.
Say hi guys.
More so?
Come. Talk to the people. Say hi guys.
Hi guys.
To their grandma restaurant. Woo! Hold it, baby, baby.
MG.
Tell them, sir. I'm going to tell you what, sir. So, hi guys, I'm MJ.
Hi guys, I'm MG.
And I'm with Miss Tamara.
And I'm with Smile.
I shall try out my grandmother kitchen. Tell them, sir, I try out the food. I want the food nice. So, Miss Tamara, try out the food. And my mother said, if come tell you, say, Miss Tamara said the food nice. Can't be shy, man. You don't want to be a vlogger? I've got to make sure say your YouTube channel up. I'm going to subscribe. Your mother going to tell me where your channel name. I'm going to send people come over there. Make them know say go over to MJ YouTube channel and subscribe. Like and share so you can get followers. Alright? So tell them to subscribe, like and share. I look out for MJ. Tell them, man, tell them now. I'm going to drop my blog. Alright. You have to build a confidence there, alright? Because mommy want you to do it.
Yeah, you're not afraid.
Not afraid, yeah, baby?
Like when you do your vlogs on your phone.
Anytime I pass back down here, I'm going to make sure I have a channel. I'm going to do a content about theme channel. Yeah, man. Listen, you see, when I'm young and have a dream, we have to nurture it from a tender age. And that's very good that at least him see what he want from now. Nurture it, man, because trust me, as a young child, he will get a lot of audience. Because he's young, so that's a child content. And you know, children content build faster than adult content. So once he wants to do it for you. Because he would only be the only child in Belize doing that. Yeah, man, I tell him, man, support him, man, push him. Just get the channel monetized, get his sign up, get his everything, and make him sit down. Him in there with him, look a brother, look a sister, every day, all of that. And just post it up. Understand? Yeah, man. I like when mothers support them children from early stage. Because they're the next millionaire you're looking for. Yes, real video. See, you don't believe it's a real video? I say you have to see it. You have to see yourself. I'm going to talk and make them say, you are going to drop it. Yes, you're on my video. You know me talk about you? Watch it and believe I joke me and make people. His mother have to show him later. As I drop it, you're going to see yourself. Because she's going to get the notification on her phone. Alright. Richard. No, people, Richard, now want me talk about my food. I done my food, see the people eat done. And Richard, now want me talk about my food. See the my husband that teeth up my fish. And them things that I go through in life. Understand? Richard, now want me talk about my food. Hear them? When
the board, the whole night box. The board gone through the table.
No. At least me go through people. Richard now work today now. And me can't get Richard for me and sit down and have lunch.
I mean the road you want to show, you mean the road have lunch.
Yeah.
I don't want the road to me have lunch.
Come. It done. Now my husband zoom in on the plate. Jesus Christ.
You won't let me up my cheese? I'm big wall.
So we're there at Belmopan, people. I would drive in a circle about to try to find Ministry of Education. All right. all right, then up on YouTube. Nobody knows where Ministry of Education then at Belmopan, this sticky. Hey, we drive round and round for the round and round for the Magic School bus. Sir, make sure your direction is right. You know, I better put up on my vlog. The police cannot police in me where to find Ministry of Education. Okay. So we're there at Belmopan. I will camp. Why? No, sir, this is the same. Sir, my video fire. Which fire go? No, sir. This man don't not want me for video myself. But now video you, sir. I know say when I do all them, so I'm just actually just put in on the video for the best side. What is the problem? Gotcha. People, see him there? Make a video back way. See him there? The long manga boy. You know, sir. So, aye, sir. See you run left, sir. Brother, this guy be to run. Go on to your father, them. Go on. We show them your father. Come, Mr. News, I didn't know you like a Peter, deny Christ. This is not safe. No, man. Sir, me never. Why? I wonder if him knows some spin the camera upon him. Him know me dry and stay and him still. Yeah, come one new one. Me say. Okay. Police department. See one of your classmates.
Why? Daddy.
The locks. Da, da, da. Pretty girl, don't look for him, eh? No, sir. So we're just past Belmopan police station, the headquarters. See them? Yeah. We're strolling down the roads of Jerusalem. It's the first I'm actually coming on this side, you know. No, listen, people, why them people have me walk up on the... Where is my umbrella? Where is my umbrella? Jesus Christ, when I have me a burn up in the sun. Them a try burn up me look a color, through the two of them black. And through me brown. Them want burn up me look colors. Of course, I'm browning. Everybody who's up on YouTube, subscribe to my channel. I'm a Jamaican living in Belize. Subscribe. Subscribe here. Yeah. Huh? What you say? She said that, come on. Me a vampire, me a fight from the sun. The sun will make me melt. I'm in a good spirit. So I want to see my bodyguard always beside me. No, sir. Jesus. Hey, she a walk and she not for her own lane. And she just minding for her own business. Infrastructure. Sir, where you go? You lost your way. You don't know where you go. You don't know where Belize. You want to head out and go down the road. Where you going? Where you go? Him full of attitude and tude and him not know where am I going now? Watch him a march and go down the road. Where you going? Him full of attitude and tude and him don't know where I'm going. To ask him where am I go? See him there? Ask him, so where you going? I'm in a good spirit. Come baby, come dance with me. I'm in a good spirit. Hey. No, sir. So when I pass that man, they don't let so. This does here. Listen, my phone I got dead. So I forgot to try so I can get a power bank. And say I can charge it up because I want to stop at the zoo. So, we're up on the right track?
Yeah, that's it. Basically, they want somebody supposed to sell it up there.
There's still a secondary that maybe she could help you or tell you if you still have to wait.
Miss, I imowa God way down the so I'm full of pudi attitude. I am for go find it to go in a John shop. Yeah. But now I look at my camera. Jump over my head. Jump. I'm a vlogger, baby.
Oh, that's nice.
You can subscribe to my channel. I'm a Jamaican living in Belize. Oh.
Why is he up here in the vlog?
Do you understand me? And nobody no want him. You know the worst thing about him, nobody no want him. Friend, nobody no want him. Me said nobody no want him. Him too tired.
Oh, that's sad.
Him a 6 foot, I must say 4 or 5. Out already. 6 foot.
Because they have a little baby mother nobody know about.
That's true.
Exactly.
Fear about bad, but like she. Be like she, fear about bad. Watch her. She like you.
I don't believe nobody no one. They probably hide at least something.
That's true. No man know you.
But they said they're going to try and can't find nobody can get it there. Yeah. They fucking Google map carry their way over, so.
People, me and my husband and me and my family, we drive go one circle in a Belmopan. Yeah. Richie can't come for the camera because Richie wants to be there by own. But I go drink water and my business. No sir, I step at and how would you know say yes a Ministry of Education there?
Nobody couldn't know that. Fuck, I'm busy with domestic building. We need a parent.
You never ever on the sign. In the building. Are you the banker? TikToker? Business here. Baby, come a chocolate. It smells like candy anymore. They are going to wait because them say the building lock. And they're going to wait for a good time. Kiano, my finger they need to fix.
There, man, on the road.
Second time you come with everything done.
Say no, I got Belmopan. I'm going to have to pull up where I passed this morning. I never see her. So my husband said maybe too early. So obviously it was too early because see her, yeah. Everything good, my father. Blessing. Love you. That is it. Where see I'm taking it?
I got.
She said she have an oxtail. And people say, I oxtail turkey. And tell them say, I feel the oxtail. I'm in place so every time. Watch Richie. So, they don't know to show God give us some ox. Come on.
Oh, Jamaica.
Kingston. It sound like you know who's probably come from some. You know something I know. Too much thing. They sound suspicious. They like when them sound suspicious like that, you know. Something not wild. Come on, you're talking the problem.
Well, I haven't switched to beans so beans. What is the beans? How it is done that, done with it, no?
I got to see. When you turn the back from, I never tested that. Let's stay up, Woody, let's stay up. You know if I'm going to stop, I'm going to stop and move style. You know that. You know the badness. Everybody talk about the oxtail. Yo, I think downtown they get the most coming. You know, big up Attiville, Raven, blah, blah. One lady said she grew up at Attiville, she's from the Bronx. She said we grew up at Attiville, she said she not famous. Now I'm telling everybody see it. I'm like, yo, where am I them say them because me don't talk that people respond.
Right?
Yeah,
No side in all day.
what the split means.
Well,
The man split means. I'm in a good spirit. Yeah, no time I see my mother me feel happy though. Yeah,
right now,
that side. I forgot to do right or something. See, all we Jamaicans say want to cook, we just cook. That's why I believe you can see that one cook me get from the Belize and man, I can't go away. See there? Can everybody ask why you in a Belize? Because I get cook. Yeah, look at it, baby. I never said Jamaican man them don't good enough, but the Belizean man, he's going to goose bag.
Competition time.
He's going to goose bag and cover. The whole side they see them, we talk Belizean. I can't even worry about Jamaican flag again, can I say? What do you mean about that? Especially when I get more gravy. I'm just sitting there for a while again, I'm have to make space to my oxtail. Have to. Can't pass them crazy, they're mad. She know me I pull up. Yeah. I don't. How much may I pay you? Yeah, but $10. Alright. I'm in a good spirit. So she sell out Remember, you know, I actually feel good to see you today. I have my oxtail. And I say,
The turkey neck.
oxtail.
The oxtail.
Everybody who know our face is not the first shot come on the camera. When I come in the first time when I eat, and when I eat on the bone of people that say, I oxtail. But oxtail for me, can't tell me what it is.
Alright.
Can't tell you say oxtail.
Nice.
You understand?
They'll have a bowl.
So when I pass by Belmopan, Attiville Road, right?
And I got a big pot.
Shut up, man. She not about to come with us because she don't want any problem. So, when I pass by the highway, Attiville stop and get to the good food.
Opposite the police station.
Right across from the police station, I told the trucker pass. Come get the good food. Where am I again? Carla Baptist. I totally forgot. I'm just call her mommy. Who know Carla Baptist to me and mommy? What treat you run this so fast from my video? They don't know, they just come man and stop trying to get some food from mommy because mommy food always shot. Just eat a put a bell upon and they'll go down in a soup, which they not get none, brother. They not get none. And him, the material see me going to start, I'm going there and take the paper.
Yeah, I blow man, I should pay man for your food.
Alright, ready, we're ready, camera man, ready.